Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so first I want to apologize for my lighting. Like, honey, it is about to storm here in Bama, so honey, I can only do what I can do, okay? I did turn up the lights a little bit, but I don't want it to be too bright, so just bear with me. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Donmily Hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their lace frontal 13x4 highlight bodyweight wig, and they did send me this unit in 14 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it and go to their site to see the details. On their site, it says Donmily 13x4 lace front wig, blonde balayage lace front wig with pre-plucked baby hair. And let me see, can I find some more details? Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is their Bob Natural Wave wig. So I guess the texture is considered a natural wave to me, which is kind of giving more so body wave sort of vibes in my opinion. The cap size is average, so it only comes in an average cap size. The cap size is average. The color is honey blonde. I guess the only length that it comes in is 14 inches. I'll check and see that for sure, but it says length 14 inches. The density is 150%, and it says base material is Swiss lace in medium brown color, and the lace does appear to be medium brown, as well as the density is definitely given 150%. So, okay, so the lengths that are available is 14 and 16 inches. So you can only get this unit in either 14 inches or 16 inches. Those are the only lengths that they have available. As I stated, the density does give to me 150% density, so that is accurate. So yeah, those are those specs. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I have not noticed either. That's not to say at some point, oh, girl won't do any of the things. That's just me saying straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things. Now, I did have to adjust the straps with this unit. It is, in my opinion, big head friendly. So I did have to adjust the straps, but I only have the head that's on my shoulders, honey, okay? I only got this head right here, okay? So in my opinion, it is definitely big head friendly because I had to adjust the straps. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go with this unit. I do want to throw out that this wig did definitely come pre-bleached, so I did not have to bleach this unit whatsoever, which is always a plus in my book, and I know it's a plus in a lot of you guys' books as well, honey, okay? If you're lazy like me, then I know it's a plus for you too, boo, okay? I hear you, I see you, boo, okay? So yeah, those are the details and specs. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as the full 360, and if I would recommend you purchase this unit with your coins, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my con with this unit is obviously gonna be the brown lace. Okay, that is one of my cons. The other con is that I feel like it needed to be tweezed a little more, but I didn't see anywhere where it said that this unit came pre-tweezed. I feel like it did come tweezed some, but you would definitely have to tweeze it a little more. So it's not a big con in my book. I'm just lazy, girl, okay? You can't get it all, Chrissy. You cannot get it all, girl, but I want it all, honey. But the brown lace is a con for me because brown lace does definitely show up really, really dark, or, you know, darker on my skin tone. And I'm not the lightest person in the world, but brown lace always does kind of show up a little darker on me. So that is a con for me. It's not going to be a con for everybody, and it's probably not going to be a con for the majority. But I like to throw it out there because it's a con for me, girl. Okay? So if you're my shade or a little lighter, it may be a con for you as well. So those are my cons. My pros with this unit is that it came pre-tweezed, honey. Okay, did you not hear me earlier? It came not pre-tweezed, it came pre-bleached. That's wishful thinking, me wishing that it came pre-tweezed as well as pre-bleached, but it did definitely come pre-bleached, so that is one of my pros. Another pro is I love the color. I love the length, because you know that I don't like super, super long hair. This sort of length is considered to me is like mom hair. And I always call it mom hair, not necessarily for the style. It's just that moms are usually busy, okay? We're always into some cleaning, some doing something, mommying, okay? So I call it mom hair, but it's just a more so everyday sort of length, okay? You don't have to worry about this length getting in your way. And I definitely love the color. I think the color is really nice, and I definitely feel like this color is spring appropriate, honey. And we are easing right on into spring, because your girl does not like the daylight savings and the dark time. So I'm excited about, you know, getting into longer days. So shout out to this wig for just reminding me, honey, that daylight savings is this weekend. Okay, girl? So yeah, those are my pros with this unit. Would I recommend this wig? Yes, I would recommend this wig because although it doesn't come pre-tweezed, I would still consider it beginner friendly because it does come pre-bleached. I feel like you don't have to do a whole lot to this wig. I didn't tweeze it, and I still feel like it is wearable. I still received compliments on this unit, so I don't feel like you have to necessarily tweeze it unless you want to. I just feel like it's a very easy kind of throw on and go as far as lace frontals go. And I also love, like I said, that it comes pre-colored. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig, not to mention the length, girl. So yeah. All right, honey, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up, because I know you're tired of hearing your girl ramble. I know some of y'all don't mind, but I know a lot of you tired of it. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Okay, so I was out and about today, so if it's a mess in the back, it's because I was out and about prior to doing this video. Don't blame the wig. Don't even blame my curling methods. Blame me being out and about. Blame Reggie, okay? He had me out and about in these streets, so blame him, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this unit down below in the comments. Sound off in the comments. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you like the color. Let me know if you don't like the color. Let me know if you agree with my pros and cons. Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions. And if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Your girl appreciate it, honey. And your girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key,